हे गाइस, सो अभी हम लोग अम्मान एयरपोर्ट जो जॉर्डन में है वहाँ पे आ चुके हैं। एंड एक्चुअली हम लोग आ चुके थे 2 घंटे पहले, बट सिंस इंडियन पासपोर्ट होल्डर्स के को यहाँ पे बहुत ही स्क्रूटिनिटी से एग्जामिन किया जाता है, तो हम लोग को लिटरली सिर्फ पासपोर्ट देके, दे डिड नॉट इवन सी आर डॉक्यूमेंट्स, सिर्फ पासपोर्ट देख के हमको साइड में बिठा दिया फॉर ऑलमोस्ट 1.5 घंटा। 1.5 घंटे बाद एक ऑफिसर आया और उन्होंने चेक किया कि हमारे पास क्या क्या वैलिड डॉक्यूमेंट्स है। सिंस वी हैड ऑलरेडी बॉट इन जॉर्डन पास, तो हमारे लिए ई वीज़ा फ़ीस हमको भरना नहीं था। And also Ayan Bhagiraj hold Australian valid visa until 2025, so that also played a cupid in order to get us cleared fast. But हमको सारा bookings वहाँ पे दिखाना पड़ा, then we had to even tell कि we are husband and wife and बहुत कुछ चीज़ें. It's very difficult for Indian passport holders definitely over here to get a clearance immediately, and मतलब निकलने के लिए बहुत ही दिक्कत थी। एंड हम लोग, इट वॉज नॉट ओनली 2 ऑफ अस, ऑलमोस्ट वहाँ पे हम लोग 6 लोग थे। 4 पीपल वेयर फ्रॉम बैंगलोर, देयर वाज अ फैमिली हु वाज फ्रॉम इंडिया अगेन। उनके तो छोटे बच्चे भी थे, बट दे ऑल्सो हैड टू वेट फॉर सम पर्टिकुलर अमाउंट ऑफ टाइम। एंड वहाँ पे जो 4 लोग थे उन्होंने तो यहाँ पे जॉर्डन में इंडियन एम्बेसी में कॉल भी किया था, एंड द पीपल फ्रॉम इंडियन एम्बेसी लिटरली टोल्ड देम दैट दे विल हैव टू वेट फॉर लाइक से 2 to 4 hours अंडर ऑब्जर्वेशन। सो इट्स क्वाइट फनी, दो इट इज़ नॉट आर फर्स्ट टाइम जहाँ पे वी हैव बिन ट्रीटेड लाइक दिस। इसके पहले भी हमको ऐसा ट्रीटमेंट मिल चुका है, तो वी आर यूज्ड टू इट। सो वी आर हियर सीइंग अ सिम कार्ड and they have a tourist plan for 10 days which is for 10 Jordans. तो क्या ले रहे हैं हम लोग?
लेने गए।
So guys, we booked the taxi via this airport taxi service, and if you are ever coming to Jordan, I would recommend you कि आप ये taxi service से book करो, because we are paying almost 22.5 Jordans for city center, and Uber और Careem में it was somewhere 34 Jordans. So this definitely is a saver pack for you folks, and I would recommend doing this. Hey guys, good morning and welcome to all new vlog from all new cities. जैसे कि आपको पता था कि कल हम अम्मान जॉर्डन आ चुके हैं, and then we checked in our hotel quite late, around I think 12:30ish, and to my surprise यहाँ पे Starbucks रात को 12 बजे भी फुल था। हम लोग ने ऑन दी वे जब आते हुए देखा, and the cars are running here and there, midnight हो कुछ भी हो, मतलब ये सिटी काफ़ी हसलिंग बसलिंग है। and we are here in Noble Hotel. काफ़ी चीप रेट्स में हमको मिला, बट एज यू सॉ द रूम्स, दे आर वेरी क्लीन, सुपर क्लीन, नाइस। बजट होटल है। वी गॉट दिस फॉर 2 nights 3 days फॉर अराउंड 38 Jordans, राइट? अराउंड 38 Jordans, विच कम्स टू अराउंड 3,900 400, विच इज़ क्वाइट चीप ओवर हियर। अगर आपको, मतलब मैं उसके डिटेल्स आपको डिटेल सेक्शंस में दूँगी, सो इफ़ यू एवर वांट टू बुक, आई थिंक दिस इज़ अ सस्टेनेबल ऑप्शन फॉर यू। अभी हम जा रहे हैं ब्रेकफास्ट करने। ब्रेकफास्ट इज़ नॉट ऑफर्ड ओवर हियर, इट्स इन द नेबरिंग अदर होटल, तो हम लोग वहाँ पे जाएंगे। सो लेट्स गो।
चला जाएगा तू।
ओह गॉड, ओके।
No protection, no doors. Directly.
ओल्ड स्कूल। ऐसे यहाँ पे एक्चुअली नोटिफिकेशन था, एंड उसकी वजह से हम लोग ऊपर गए थे। दिखने में डरावना है, बट रूम्स आर क्लीन। सो दिस इज़ आवर ब्रेकफास्ट पैटर, एग, जैम, पीता ब्रेड, देन दिस इज़ चीज़, सम ग्रेप्स, सम क्रीम चीज़। अभी ये हमको पता नहीं है, वी आर वेरी कन्फ्यूज, दिस इज़ बीफ, दिस इज़ व्हाट, बिकॉज डेफिनेटली बेकन नहीं होगा ये। दिस इज़ फलाफल एंड hummus, some salad, and yay!
But for us,
So we are currently at the sea level, and the importance of this point is that if you know हम लोग Dead Sea जा रहे हैं, which is still 18 kilometers more, but Dead Sea is below the sea level, like 436 meter below the sea level, and we are over here right now.
This is the lowest point on earth. Hey guys, welcome to all new morning in front of Dead Sea Hotel. So Dead Sea is around 45 to 1 hour drive from Amman, and there are ideally two ways to reach here. One is self-driven car and another is a private car. Jordan में सब tours private है. There is no shared tours except Petra one, and there is also another public transport that is very long. We have to come to a nearby town, then come to another shared cab to another town, then come here. So it is not advisable to come via shared, and public transport is not that good in Jordan. So plan accordingly. Rent, if you know to ride a car, then rent a car. That is a good way to explore Jordan. Let's see what's inside the Dead Sea Hotel. See you after some time.
Hey guys, so we are here at the Crown Plaza Resort, जहाँ पे हम लोग Dead Sea experience लेने वाले हैं. So over here there are this is one of the private ways of accessing the Dead Sea. Public way is also available to access Dead Sea, but it is not that clean, and also since it's Eid holidays, there would be a lot of crowd. Services available नहीं रहेंगे. So the person that we are in touch with in Jordan, the local who is with whom we are in touch, has his own tourist agency, and he suggested us to book via any of the private resorts. The options given were Ramada, Holiday Inn, and now this is the most costliest one, which is Crown Plaza. We did not wanted to go for this. पहले हमने रमाडा चूज़ किया था, विच वॉज 120 जॉर्डन्स, बट वहाँ पे वाटर अवेलेबल नहीं है, मतलब ड्रिंकिंग वाटर दे डोंट प्रोवाइड एंड ऑल, लाइक देयर वर लॉट ऑफ रेस्ट्रिक्शंस. देन वी डिसाइडेड वी विल गो फॉर हॉलीडे इन. सो हॉलीडे इन वॉज 135 JOD, बट वी बार्गेन्ड एंड वी गॉट इट फॉर लाइक से 125 JOD, like for both of us. But when we went there, we got to know that it is overbooked already. So they suggested to come here in Crown. The Crown is a costlier one. It is around 140 JOD with no bargain rates, nothing. But again we are having a thought कि एकदम ही भीड़ में जाने से अच्छा we'll come here, which would give us a proper service, which will give us a proper lunch, and we would be able to enjoy it also. It is going to cost us 140 JOD, मतलब around 16,000 in INRs. But I'm very excited, super excited to have this Dead Sea experience over here. So we are getting inside. So this is our pass, and now we are heading towards the beach. Dead Sea is going to be super thrilling as it is the lowest point on earth, and that kid hit me, but ठीक है. Yeah, so we are just heading. ये काफ़ी luxurious actually this resort is looking, if you see over here, and then swimming pool. This is nice. We are here at the beach area. Hey guys, so we are here at the Dead Sea beach, and this is like a privately owned by Crown Plaza, इसलिए आप देखोगे यहाँ पे भीड़ भी ज़्यादा नहीं है. And the best part is that we are at Dead Sea. So if you could see, like people are literally floating because Dead Sea में salt content इतना ज़्यादा है that you'll never sink down. You'll always float because of those salts. And also to note, this is the lowest point on earth that we are at. And the process over here basically is that there is this mud which is kept. You have to soak yourself in mud, and what oh, so we just got to know कि पहले हमको sea में like we'll have to take a dip in the sea, then go apply mud on our bodies, soak in for some time, and then again go in sea. So we are going to dive. ठंडा है.
No, it's not that cold. फ्लोट होना और कितना जाएगी, खुद जाएगी ऑटोमेटिक.
Shit, it's cold.
सो जा. अरे इतना कैसे कुछ नहीं है. लोग किधर किधर गए देख. See the people are there and she is here.
अरे बेटे, it is cold.
अरे फ्लोट तो हो.
Oh freak.
हाँ कुछ नहीं होगा. अरे नहीं गिरेगी, सो जा.
Oh freak.
अरे खड़े मत रे, सो जा. कुछ नहीं होता है. अरे फ्लोट नहीं होते इधर.
क्या?
डूबते नहीं है, सो जा.
मेरे को ठंडी लग रहा है.
हाँ चुप, पहले सो पहले.
रुक थोड़ा बंद कर, इतना पानी. वाओ, नाइस ना.
रुक.
Hey guys, so here we are over here with the Dead Sea Salt Scrub, and this is much similar to what I did in Colombia, which was with active mud volcano. And this we have to scrub against our body, keep for 10 minutes, dry it, and then again go in Dead Sea to swim. And यहाँ पे ये लोग ने उसका benefits भी दिया हुआ है. So Bhagyaraj is going to start now.
Yes.
Please go ahead.
Turn on the video. Mobile.
Is it greasy?
Yeah. Nice little Dead Sea.
Because this is how he is covered in the entire mud.
जल रहा है मेरे को.
And this is
So-
how I am covered in the sea salt.
How are you feeling? Are you feeling any itching, irritation?
I think somewhere where I have cracks, I think that's itching. But rest I am all good.
Okay, let's see.
अब ये
Wait,
dry होगा.
wait for 10 minutes and then go for a swim.
Hey guys, so we are done with the Dead Sea experience. मुझे थोड़ा सा हाथ पैर में खुजली हो रहा है. I think it is because of the salts. मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा खुजली हो रहा है. I tried applying lotion and all, but फिर भी वो खुजली रुक नहीं रहा है. तो now, after taking a rest for a while, we are going. So we also have access to jacuzzi over here, jacuzzi and pools. So I'm planning कि we'll go in jacuzzi, sit for a while, and तब शायद जो खुजली sensations मुझे हो रहे हैं वो ना हो. I really hope so. But this one experience, I think, was really nice. It's once for a lifetime wala thing that you say. So if you ever plan to Jordan, do plan to come here because this is really nice. We are here in the jacuzzi area. It's all full. We are here at the lunch. So we are starting our meal with some desserts and salads. I don't even remember उनके नाम अभी. I remember this. This is muhammara.
Muhammara is like hummus. Dry fruit hummus.
Okay, let's try. Course 2 for me is rice and butter chicken ka gravy, and Bhagyaraj has got some pita bread, hummus and potato wedges. And here we are at our third course of dessert. तो ये यहाँ के कुछ chocolates थे. I don't remember the names of all, but it looks like a mix of tart and everything. These two are Arabic sweets. This look like a bread. This is naan khatai. वी आर डन विद आर लंच एंड ऑल्सो विद आर डेड सी टूर नाउ. सो अभी हम लोग हमारे जो टूर गाइड है और जो ड्राइवर है उनके लिए वेट कर रहे हैं. वो आ जाएंगे, फिर विल गो बैक टू आर होटल इन अम्मान. Overall, I would recommend you doing this, not necessarily through Crown Plaza, of course, because it's costly. But there are only selective hotels which offer you this half-day tours, wherein you can use their premises, you can have lunch. उसमें से शायद 3 तो मैंने आपको सुबह बताया, one Ramada Holiday and now this Crown Plaza वाला thing. But this I think is a very effective and very efficient way of using the hotel facilities, as well as having a private clean tour of Dead Sea as well. So if you ask me, I would definitely recommend doing it this way rather than going on a public beach in Dead Sea जहाँ पे बहुत सारा भीड़ होगा. You won't even get the mud, like not the mud, the Dead Sea salt bath to do properly. So according to me, this way would be a proper way. I would share the details of the tour guide via whom we came over here, so that you can get in touch. He can pick you up, drop you on time, so that it becomes more efficient for you. नेक्स्ट हम जाने वाले हैं अम्मान से टूर, बट फिलहाल